What is the best way to invest in the current market? The stock market is being jumped into by many people. Do you know what distinguishes novice stock investors from experienced ones? In other words, the novice monitors a stock's price every minute of every hour. Shall we give a simple example? One of my friends, Charlie, has nice stocks like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon that he purchased but is unsure about keeping them and wonders if she should consider selling them even if they decline little. I'm not understanding it. Are the stocks of Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon soon to be doomed? Without a doubt. It has been chosen as the most technologically advanced and aggressive business in the present, and it has the ability to command higher market value. The odd part is that despite knowing about it, my neighbor Charlie is not agitated. Before investing, one should always ask themselves, are you gambling or investing? Stock investing is quite easy and convenient, therefore there are no challenges involved. In the stock market, only discipline and prudent decision-making are required. Even the brilliant Edison lost money in the stock market just like any other regular individual. What is the current market response from stock investors? These days, equity investors ask, shall we move left? Should we turn right? Every minute, I consider innumerable thoughts. Many people oppose stock investment strongly or predict that they will grow at some point in the future without any evidence. Will you also behave that way? Why are stock investments appealing to you? There may be various causes, but the majority of them are motivated by a desire to generate both earned and financial money. But leaving the stock market is the same as giving up on your desire for financial independence. So how should we invest in a market that is currently in a downturn? My extensive expertise in the stock market has taught me that the installment investing method is now the best strategy. Do you know what an installment investment method is? Before the explanation, do you know what the most crucial factor in stock investing is? High levels of economic knowledge, intelligence, and insider company information are certainly beneficial, but in my opinion they are not the most crucial factors. The most crucial factor is mental steadiness. The installment investment is the best approach to achieve this level of mental stability and make the most secure investment. The process of accumulative investment is quite straightforward. You simply schedule an investment at the same amount each month or quarter. I don't think cumulative investment will help with returns much, you ask. However, the total amount of investment is actually rather helpful to us. This is so because the purpose of cumulative investment is to keep emotions out of the investment process. Consider making a 5-year investment of $1,000 each year in an index fund. Do you know how much the 1942 S&P 500 ETF would cost if you invested $110 in it? The right response is $400,000, that translates to a staggering 3,500 times. Isn't it incredible? In any case, the accumulation type investment is the scary aspect of this. If you purchased it for $500 to $1,000 per month during that time, how much money would that amount grow to be? It will grow to be a sizable sum. Savings investing is not difficult, but it is one of the best investment strategies. This is so that you can experience the miracle of compound interest, which even investment guru Warren Buffett supports. Which one should you invest in over time, then? First, choosing profitable stocks is really challenging. Second, failure to recognize good buy times. Third, it is stupid to make assumptions about the entire stock market based solely on a few economic data. Given these details, I can propose that you purchase an S&P 500 index fund with confidence. Even the renowned investor Warren Buffett. He instructs his wife to invest 90% of the money he will leave her in the S&P 500 index fund after his death and 10% in government bonds. Purchasing an S&P 500 index fund is equivalent to purchasing the US. That is 80% of the country. As a result, you might develop into a trader who succeeds in the stock market by having the most crucial mental stability. Purchasing at the same price each month for the same length of time is perhaps fortunate in a market that is in decline like this one. It actually means that you can purchase it for less and less money. The current downturn is unimportant to those of you investing for 10 to 20 years. As a conclusion to today's film, I can state with confidence that the best way to invest in the current stock market is through an installment investment in the S&P 500 index fund. We appreciate you watching the J&J Stock Story video above.